Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you might have accidentally bent a tiny local rule and wondered if you were about to get a ticket or just a friendly reminder? It is a common thought, especially with all those quirky, often forgotten ordinances out there. Well, the clear trend in local law enforcement today is a noticeable move towards issuing warnings rather than immediate citations for minor infractions. This approach is becoming more common across many communities, marking a shift in how small rules are enforced. This emphasis on warnings isn't just a random act of kindness. It is rooted in several practical and strategic reasons. Firstly, it significantly helps in fostering positive community relations. When officers offer a warning, it often builds trust and shows that law enforcement is there to help and educate, not just to punish. Secondly, warnings are a more efficient use of resources. Processing a full citation involves considerable paperwork and time, which takes officers away from more serious duties. A warning, while still an official interaction, is far less resource-intensive. Lastly, warnings serve as an educational tool, allowing officers to inform residents about local ordinances they might not even know exist, which is especially helpful for those unusual or outdated rules. So, if you find yourself receiving a warning, remember that it is still an official interaction. The best practice is to listen respectfully to the officer, acknowledge the information, and promptly correct the behavior or situation that led to the warning. While it is not a ticket, a warning is a clear indication that a rule was broken, and repeated infractions will almost certainly lead to a formal citation. This shift in policing highlights the concept of discretionary enforcement, where officers use their professional judgment to decide whether a warning or a citation is most appropriate for a given situation. It is part of a broader move towards preventative policing for minor issues, focusing on addressing root causes and educating the public rather than solely relying on punitive measures. This proactive approach helps maintain order while minimizing negative interactions between the community and its law enforcement. Ultimately, this trend toward warnings offers a dual benefit. It helps local law enforcement manage their time more effectively and build stronger community ties, while also giving residents a chance to learn and comply without immediate financial penalty. Understanding this growing practice can help you appreciate the efforts of your local police and encourage you to stay informed about the specific rules that help your community run smoothly.